Namaste everyone, my name is Kundan Kumar Misra and welcome to the Yogic Fitness. In today's session we are going to work on to tone the leg and thigh muscle. So let's get started. So first asana is Utkat Asana. For the Utkat Asana, see the alignment, your feet together or slightly apart. With the exhalation, bend your knees. Remember one thing, your knees should not cross your big toes. Inhale, lift your arms straight over the head and hold in this position for a 5 breath or a 30 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come up, come to Samasthiti. Next asana is Utthita Trikonasana or a triangle pose. Your feet around 3 feet apart, your left feet parallel to the mat and right feet turning 90 degrees to the right. Knee straight, stretch your arm in line with shoulder. Now with the exhalation, fold your trunk towards the right. Place your palm either side of your feet or on ankle or a shin bone, or try to look up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come up. Now shift to other side. Your right feet parallel to the mat and left feet turning 90 degrees to the left. Stretch your arm and with the exhalation, bend towards left and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come up. With the exhalation, come to Samasthiti. So the third asana and next asana is Veerbhadra 2. For a Veerbhadra 2, your feet around 4 feet apart, your left feet parallel to the mat and turning right feet to the 90 degree. With the exhalation, bend your right knees, thigh parallel to the mat, upper body perpendicular to the mat. Stretch your arm in line with shoulder and look towards right and hold here in this position for 30 seconds or a 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the inhalation, come up. Now shift to other side. Now your left feet 90 degree to the left and right parallel to the mat. Bend your knees, thigh parallel to the mat, upper body perpendicular to the mat. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, slowly come up. With the exhalation, Samasthiti. Next asana is Veerbhadra 1. So for the Veerbhadra 1, open your leg around 4 feet. Your right feet turning 90 degree to the right and left feet 45 degree to the right. Turn your pelvic or hip towards right. Inhale, lift your arms up. With the exhalation, bend your knees and try to look up in between your thumb and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, With the inhalation, come up. Now shift to other side, left feet 90 degree to the left and right feet 45 degree to the left. Stretch your arm over the head. With the exhalation, bend your left knees, thigh parallel to the mat and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. With the exhalation, come to Samasthiti. Next asana is Padangusthasana. So for the Padangusthasana, your both the feet hip width apart. Place your palm on your waist. Inhale. Now with the exhalation, fold forward. Slightly bend your knees. Grab your big toes. Inhale, head up, chest up. Your thigh and your stomach should be in a contact with each other. So with the exhalation, fold forward as much as you can. Try to touch your chin to the knees. Hold here for 5 breaths or 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, chest up. Place your palm on your waist. Now with the exhalation, slowly come up. Come to Samasthiti. So practice these 5 asanas. This will help you to tone your leg and reduce the fat from your thighs. If you have any question, you can ask me in a comment box. Namaste.